And now we are going to discuss hiding unhiding rows in Microsoft Excel. How to hide rows in Excel. To select one row, click on its heading. To select multiple contiguous row, drag across the row and heading using the mouse. Or select the first row and hold down the shift key while selecting the last row. To select non-contiguous rows, click the heading of the first row and hold down the Ctrl key while clicking the heading of other row that you want to select. Hide rows using the ribbon. If you enjoy working with the ribbon, you can hide row in this way. Go to Home tab, select Cell Group and click the Format button. As you can see in this figure, in Home tab we have to click the Format button. After that, under Visibility, point to Hide and Unhide and then select a Hide row. As you can see in this figure, when we click on the Format, a dialog box will appear. In dialog box, Visibility category, we have to click Hide and Hide, and after when we click on Hide and Hide, there is a options for hide rows, hide column, hide sheet, unhide row, unhide column, and we select hide rows. Hide rows using the right click menu. In case you don't want to bother remembering the location of the hide command on the ribbon, you can access it from the context menu. Right click the selected rows and then click hide. As you can see, we have to select the hide button. In the option row to hide, we have to first select and then we have to click the hide button. How to unhide rows in Excel. Unhide rows by using the ribbon. On the Home tab in the Cell Group, click the Format button, point to Hide and Unhide under Visibility and then click Unhide Row. As you can see in this figure, in Home tab we have to click on the Format button. In Format, Visibility. In Visibility we have to click Hide and Unhide and then click Unhide Row to unhide the selected rows. Hide or unhide a worksheet. Select the worksheet that you want to hide. How to select worksheet? We will discuss earlier. See here, when we have to select the sheet, a single sheet, click the sheet tab. If you don't see the tab that you want, click the scrolling button to the left of the sheet tab to display the tab and then click the tab. If you want to select two or more adjacent sheet, click the tab for the first sheet, then hold down shift while you click the tab for the last sheet that you want to select. And similarly, you can read out for more function, and for selecting a single sheet we have to just click on that sheet. On the Home tab in the Cell Group, click Format, Visibility, Hide Unhide and last Hide Sheet. To unhide the worksheet, follow the same step but select Unhide. You will presented with the dialog box listed which sheets are hidden, so select the one you want to unhide. As you can see in this figure, when we click Hide Sheet, a unhide sheet, we have to select any one sheet that we want to unhide from our dialog box.